Every server in your infrastructure is a complex system, constantly processing requests and running services. It's the backbone of your applications, and its health is paramount. A sudden, unexplained surge in CPU utilization on a single server is often the first subtle indication that something is amiss. This could be due to an inefficient query, a rogue process, or an unexpected traffic surge. Such a CPU spike is a silent signal. It might not immediately crash the system, but it's a critical warning. Ignoring these early indicators means missing the opportunity to intervene proactively. Without proper monitoring, these silent signals are often overlooked. Teams typically only react once a problem escalates into a noticeable failure, leading to stressful and costly firefighting scenarios. Eventually, unaddressed performance issues or silent signals can snowball, causing cascading failures across interconnected systems, and ultimately leading to a full-blown system outage, impacting users and revenue. Tools like Prometheus offer a robust solution for infrastructure monitoring. It's designed to collect real-time hardware and software metrics from various targets, providing a comprehensive view of your system's health. Prometheus scrapes metrics from instrumented jobs, storing them in a time series database. This continuous data collection forms the foundation for understanding system behavior and identifying anomalies. Crucially, Prometheus allows you to define intelligent alerting rules based on these metrics. These rules specify conditions, thresholds, and durations that, when met, trigger an alert. When an alert fires, Prometheus can notify your team through various channels. This early warning enables your team to perform proactive maintenance, addressing issues like a CPU spike before they escalate into a major outage.